Hey there, future crypto traders. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading? It's a fast-paced and thrilling market where you can buy and sell digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin with just a few clicks. But before you start trading, it's important to understand the risks involved. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, which means that prices can rise or fall rapidly and unpredictably. So, it's essential to do your research and stay informed about the latest news and trends. To get started, you'll need to choose a reputable exchange, create an account, and deposit some funds. Then, it's time to choose your trading pair and start making trades. You can try day trading, which involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single trading day, or swing trading, where you hold positions for several days or weeks to capture medium-term trends. Technical analysis can also help inform your trades, using charts and indicators to identify patterns and trends. Meanwhile, fundamental analysis involves evaluating the underlying factors that can affect the value of a particular cryptocurrency, such as news events or changes in the regulatory environment. Cryptocurrency trading is a fast-growing industry that involves buying and selling digital currencies on various exchanges. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate independently of central banks and use cryptography for security. As a result, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating rapidly and often unpredictably. To get started with cryptocurrency trading, a beginner must first choose a reputable exchange and create an account. They will then need to deposit funds into their account and choose a trading pair, such as Bitcoin, US dollar, or Ethereum, Bitcoin. Depending on the exchange, there may be various order types available, including limit orders and stop-loss orders. Trading cryptocurrencies can be an exciting and potentially lucrative activity, but it is not without risks. The market is highly unpredictable, and even experienced traders can incur significant losses. Therefore, it's essential to conduct thorough research and stay informed about the latest news and trends. Additionally, traders should always trade with caution and be prepared to adjust their strategy if necessary. There are various strategies that traders can use to make profitable trades in the cryptocurrency market. One popular strategy is day trading, which involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies within a single trading day to take advantage of short-term price movements. Another strategy is swing trading, which involves holding positions for several days or weeks to capture medium-term trends in the market. Some traders also use technical analysis to inform their trades, using tools such as charts and indicators to identify patterns and trends in the market. Other traders prefer to use fundamental analysis, which involves evaluating the underlying factors that can affect the value of a particular cryptocurrency, such as news events or changes in the regulatory environment. Despite the risks involved, cryptocurrency trading has attracted a growing number of investors and traders in recent years. This growth has been driven in part by the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, which have gained mainstream acceptance as a legitimate asset class. Additionally, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, has created new opportunities for traders to earn passive income through staking, liquidity provision, and other activities. However, the cryptocurrency market remains largely unregulated, which has led to concerns about fraud, market manipulation, and other illegal activities. Therefore, traders must be careful to choose reputable exchanges and take steps to protect their investments, such as using strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Remember, while cryptocurrency trading can be exciting and potentially lucrative, it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Always trade with caution and be prepared to adjust your strategy if the market takes an unexpected turn. And most importantly, never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, cryptocurrency trading is a fascinating and growing industry that has attracted many investors and traders. If you're up for the challenge, it can be a thrilling and rewarding way to get involved in the digital currency revolution. So, start your research, stay informed, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next crypto millionaire. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for latest updates on crypto trading.